If you are like me and a big Codex fan, then today is a very good day because we just got a big upgrade in the form of the Convex Codex plugin. To install it, we just need to go to the Codex app, go to plugins, type in Convex, and bam, there we go. Click add plugin. Then you need to jump through the authentication hoops. I've already done this already. And there we go, it's nicely installed. If you're a terminal kind of guy, I'm not, but if you are, you can open up the Codex app. Then you can type /plugins, and then you can search for Convex, and then you can install it that way instead. But anyway, what can we do with it? So if you can invoke it with @ and then Convex, and let's say, I want to make a collaborative drawing app. And it's going to work for a little while. It's going to say it's going to use the Convex plugin. I did tell it to use the Convex plugin already, but I'm not actually sure whether it will pick it up automatically. I'll try that out in a minute. It called one of the built-in tools in the Convex plugin, which is going to help it out with starting up and scaffolding a new Convex application. Actually, while that's building, I wanted to see whether I can do it. Please make a collaborative drawing app. Let's see whether it's going to pick up the plugin automatically. No, it looks like it's not going to use Convex automatically. So you make sure that you do the @ and then Convex to get it to use the plugin. And there we go. We have a real-time drawing app. Let me just see. Draw. Hey, cool. It works. Smiley face. Woohoo! And let's just make sure this works in the normal Convex way. Oh, yeah, there we go. I can see already. There we go. So if I now draw over here, yeah, we get the Convex stuff. Oh, whoa, it's got the mouse cursor as well. Geez, God, I don't want to even know how many mutations this is causing to do this. But anyway, it works fantastic. But yeah, pretty impressive that it was able to do this in one shot. I only put that initial prompt in, very small prompt, and it was able to build this for us, which is nice. And then obviously from here, we could do all the usual Convex things we'd expect to do, such as please add the static hosting component so that I can host this dev deployment and show the world this awesome app. All right, and there we go. We have a hosted site, our drawing thing. Let's see whether it still works. Yeah, it does. And then if we open up, cool. So our pastel stoat is now hosted on the internet so people can play with that. Very cool. Okay, so the other thing that I want to check out is if we have an existing project that doesn't have any database or anything like that at the moment. So let's say, let's buy some cheese, bread, etc. Then if we open that same site in another browser, yeah, I can see that the to-dos aren't here. So what I want to do is make this collaborative. I want to use Convex. So let's have a go. Okay, please now use @Convex to make this collaborative. I can't spell. Apologies. Another one of those reasons why I like to use voice input usually. All right, yeah, so it looks like it's going to go ahead and use the plugin and convert it for us. Let's, I'll wait and see how this goes. All right, it's done. So cool, we have to-dos on here. If I get rid of these, gets rid of them. Let's open up it here. Okay, so type use Convex. Hey, it shows up on both. Use Codex. Yay, okay, all right, cool, very cool. Make sure, yep, these work, very cool. So there we go. We created a new Convex project using the Codex plugin, and we also added Convex to an existing project. But yeah, I mean, this works really well. So I'm very happy with where we're at right now, but I think there's going to be a lot more work for us to do. So do stay tuned because this is just the beginning of our plugin journey in Codex. But yeah, if you're using Codex and you want to use Convex, this is an awesome way to get started for you or one of your friends or colleagues or anything like that. Just get them to install the plugin and get them to do @Convex on their project. But I think that's it for today. Until next time, thanks for watching. Cheerio.